Okay, here we go. It's 6:16. This is video 131, and I'm doing assignment number 48. As you can see here, I wrote out all the answers for the even ones, and I'll give you the next 5 even ones so you can practice a little more. I don't see the point of me just doing one after the other. I'll do number 10, okay, and carefully on the board. And you'll communicate with me if things aren't going well with you. But it seems to me that you'll be fine doing these. So again, there are the answers. You can pause that and check it out. Again, either order, all right? And we'll turn our attention over here on the right-hand side. And as I promised, I'll do one of the problems. I'll do number 10. They're all the same. And I do understand that you do need practice working on these. So again, what's the deal here? Negative 60, and we need to find out what two factors of negative 60 equal negative 7. And when you work on it, make a list, right? You know, if worse comes to worse, you know the last term is negative and the middle term is negative, then just make a list where every dual factor of negative 60 is the negative is bigger than the positive, because it can't be other way. So here, since I'm taking the time to go over a problem, there's 2, and that would be negative 30. Then I go up to 3, and that's negative 20. And then I go up to 4, and that's negative 15. So you see, 60 has a lot of things. These are the only factors here so far that equal negative 60 dual factors. And then over here, when we add these guys together, I'm boxing out this. This comes next. So here it's negative 59 if I add them. Here it's negative 28. Notice we get closer and closer to the middle term we seek. And if it doesn't work out, as I've said so many times, then it doesn't exist. So that's what I'd do if I were you, and I didn't quite see what was going on there. I'll rewrite now. 6x squared. Let's see what we got here. Minus 12x plus 5x minus 10. And as I pointed out to you so many times, I didn't change anything. This is just equivalent. And let's see, we got 6x, there's x, there's 2, you're checking yourself, rewriting it over here, and there's the 5. Make it all work out, and finally 6 x plus 5 into x minus 2. And let's see if it works. Let's divide this into this, since we're taking our time here and we're doing a little check. Sorry for the clutter, but for those of you working on this, it's worth quickly going over. So 6x goes into 6x squared, x times. Notice I'm trying to put everything together. By the way, this is a lot like buttoning and unbuttoning your shirt as I work along here. There's the opposite, there's the opposite. So there's negative 12x minus 10, and so there we are there, and 6x goes into negative 12, x negative 2 times, and there's the match that we so desired. There are the opposites, and there's your remainder, and there's a complete proof of number 10. Though I didn't ask you to do all that, I just asked you to understand the ideas, how you could do this. So there it is. There's the assignment done for today. Please let me know if you want me to do any of the other ones. Should be able to figure these out. And I'll give you 5 more, plus 3 that we did this morning. It's a little bit of warm-up so we can work a little bit more tomorrow. Okay, so there we go. There's number 10 worked out completely. There are the answers or the even ones from the Regents book there with number 10 worked out completely. Just letting you look at it again, and you let me know. I'm certainly giving you another 5 to practice today. And like I said, plus 3 more based on what we did this morning.